reason for this video is I want to talk a little bit about our Roof Saver and Roof Saver Plus, and I want to point some things out on this roof that we could have avoided had we had someone up here maintaining this roof on at least an annual basis. So I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the issues that we found, and we'll kind of stitch this all together, and hopefully we get a good little video, short format, and show you some of the reasons why you want commercial roofs in Texas Roof Saver or Roof Saver Plus. So this particular roof system is a modified bitumen. It's a granule covered asphalt type product. It's got some polymers in it. Older roof system. This particular roof was mopped down, and one of the issues is that over time, the purpose of these granules is to protect the asphalt. And so as the granules come off, which they do, that's what gives them their lifespan. As the granules come off, it exposes the asphalt to the elements, and it starts to break down. And so when you start to see granules piled up on your roof like this, where I can kind of shovel them up here, it's really not a good thing. Those need to be removed, because what happens, and not so much in this particular case, but this creates an area where when it rains, that stays wet for a longer period of time. And modified bitumen is not a roof designed to have water sitting on it for a long period of time. So by coming up here, we have our roof saver. We have some extra options where we pressure wash, single plies. We'll use a blower vac to blow off the roof and clean the debris off. But you want to get all the debris off your roof system. The debris on your roof blows around, it bangs around, and it doesn't seem like it can do much damage, but it really can. Little things like this piece of cardboard right here, as they bounce across the roof, they remove granules, okay? And you don't want that. So this is a great example of why, and this is up in the upper corner of the roof. The wind has blown it all into a pile. When it rains, it traps moisture, and you'll see that right here, we have a seam that started to fail. And so, you know, that's another thing that we want to look at as far as roof maintenance goes. So if we can solve that problem before it becomes a big issue, we extend the life of your roof, and that's the purpose of the Roof Saver or Roof Saver Plus program.